Hi, I'm Saeed. Today we'll be talking about marketing, advertising, sales, and SWOT. SWOT is a business analysis against the company competitors. Okay? This course, it's a long course which is gonna cover, marketing, sales, advertising, and SWOT. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have 3 sections. In other words, 3 videos. So watch for the next coming videos, okay? To give you an idea about what you will be learning, okay? And I'm gonna go step by step. This course is basically for everyone. Whether you are students studying business or taking to take classes in business, and also for employees who want to go to upper level or learn about the skills, which are marketing, sales, advertising, and SWOT analysis, okay? It is also a very important lesson for entrepreneurs or startups who want to start their business, or they are entrepreneurs and they don't know about marketing, sales, advertising, and SWOT analysis. These are very important for anyone who is studying business or doing business, okay? And also is for business owners who already have business and they are having some problems in marketing, advertising departments, also sales department sometimes. So this is a good lesson to learn about skills so that you don't get lost and you're not going to lose your business, okay? And finally, this course is also beneficial for software developers. I know software developers, they have really great skills when it comes to programming, coding, engineering, the company, all that, but sometimes they don't have knowledge or skills about marketing, advertising, sales, and SWOT analysis, so they can have a business requirement complete, okay? So actually, why did I choose 4 topics at the same time? You can always study marketing, learn about marketing, and later on you can learn about sales, but the bottom line, you have to know these 4 topics. They are very related and they are linked, and you cannot just do marketing or sales. You have to have marketing, advertising, sales, and SWOT analysis knowledge, so you can see the big picture of any company. This is why I chose to get marketing, advertising, sales, and SWOT analysis all together. It's also very important to learn about these 4 topics, because if you are manager or top manager, you cannot make decision without having skills about marketing, advertising, sales, and SWOT. And you need all the team together and discuss your business plan, your strategies, and how to develop your business and stay in business, because there are so many competitors out there, okay? You're gonna develop your business and you're gonna make decision with the marketing team, the sales team, advertising team, and SWOT analysis team. By the way, SWOT, it is an analysis for your business against your competitors, for your products or services, okay? And the 4th thing that you're gonna learn is about salaries, how much these people are making. They are really making a good money, okay? From upper level to lower level. So basically, this lesson, I'm gonna cover everything in detail. And as I mentioned earlier, one is to introduce this lesson, and the second section, it is going to be on whiteboard. When I get to a whiteboard, I'm going to explain kind of summary so you can get a big picture about what you will be learning. So that is going to be for the second video. And the third video, of course, I'm going to go back to every single detail I'm going to show you. So in this summary, you're going to get the big picture and how sales contribute to the business development, and also understanding what customer wants and what they need. Okay? After that, I'm going to go back, which is the third video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming videos, okay? Very good. So for the third video, I'm going to go ahead and explain detail of each single component of marketing, sales, advertising, and SWOT analysis, okay? As you can see, it is going to be marketing team. In the background is going to be a video that shows the marketing team working together. I'm going to show you that on the third video, okay? So the marketing team, basically what they do segmentation and targeting customers, of course. They want to bring more customers. So they start with segmentation and then they target a specific area, specific customers to try to sell them their product. In other words, the marketing department gave information about your products and services, okay? And after that, they are going to do positioning product in the market. After that, you will be learning the CRM, which is the customer relationship management. The CRM can influence customers to buy products or services. And after that, I'll be talking about the role and the salaries of each marketing team member, okay? Next, this is the 7 P's, which is the marketing mix. And why 7 P's? Because each word starts with P. So 1, 2, 3 to 7 P's. So the 7 P's are product, price, place, promotion, physical evidence, people, and process. These 7 P's are called marketing mixed. The marketing team gonna play with all these components to try to do kind of combination of 1, 2, 3 elements or all of them, so they can apply that to their strategy and attract more customers, okay? We're gonna talk about why pricing product should be right. It is very important. When it comes to the price of your product or service, it's very critical, okay? And then we are going to talk about when and why should companies use the 7 P's. I'll tell you more for next time, okay? And next, here we are going to talk about advertising team. How they do their work, kind of advertising process, okay? And then I'm going to talk about traditional media. Traditional media is the old fashion of marketing that dated over, maybe 60, 70 years ago, okay? So basically, the radio, the TV, newspapers, and magazine, they call it classic media or traditional media. After that, we are going to talk about digital marketing. The first one is the SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimizer. Usually, companies apply for Search Engine Optimizer through Google platform, and they pay a lot of money, okay, to advertise their product and their website, okay? And we're gonna talk about social media, we're gonna talk about websites, etc. And of course, for the advising team, I'm gonna tell you how much they make. For their salary, according to their role, they make a good money. You know, marketing team, advertising team, sales team, and SWOT analysis team, they make a really good money from upper to lower level. Okay? I'm going to talk about that later on. And also, we are going to talk about commercial signs. What is the purpose of different type of sign? You know, when you are driving on the road, you could see many signs. And also when you go to shopping centers, you will see many signs. And lastly, inside the store, there are so many signs. So that to attract people and influence them to buy, okay, your product or services, okay? And also for commercial signs is about the market share. There are so many competitors out there, locally, nationally, and worldwide. There are so many competitors of the same product sometimes, so you get to be very competitive against others and to share the market, of course. All right? And then we are going to talk about customer interaction with the company size, your brand, your product, the way they look, the colors, all that. So we're going to talk about that later on. And then we have sales process. When it comes to sales process, this is a first step for a retail or a sales person to do. They have to know 4 steps. I'll talk about that in the next video, okay? And of course, the sales people are the one who bring money. They generate revenue. They try to sell your product, your services. So salesperson is very important in an organization, okay? And then we are going to talk how the sales people can contribute to the segmentation analysis. I remember earlier I was talking about marketing, segmentation, how to target customers. So the sales people are going to help the marketing department to get more information, to let them know about the behavior, the interaction of customers when they talk to them about a certain product or service. So the salesperson is a good help for marketing team, okay? And of course, I'm going to talk about their role, their salary later on, okay? And lastly, we are going to talk about SWOT. So what is SWOT? S stands for strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threat. So strength and weakness are internal factors inside the company. It describes how the company is doing their business. They have strength and weakness, okay? And the other 2 are opportunities and threat. These 2 are external, which means opportunity for the company to get more stores, more business, more locations, if they do a good business, okay? And the threat, it's from competitors. There are so many competitors, they sell the same product, okay? So we have to be careful. And that's why we have to do the SWOT analysis. Is a business analysis of your company against competitors, okay? So basically what we do, we identify and analyze the organization SWOT, okay? That is going to help the top manager and other managers to make business decisions, okay? And lastly, we are going to talk about how to establish a business strategy. All of this that I've been talking about, from marketing, advertising, sales, and SWOT analysis, are going to help the company to establish a business strategy. And the business strategy is based on these 4 topics. That's why I mentioned earlier, you got to study, you got to learn, you got to understand all 4 topics all together: marketing, sales, advertising, and SWOT analysis, to get a good idea about the business, how it works, how to generate revenues, how to compete against others, how to understand customers, etc. Okay, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family, and don't miss the second video and the third video. I didn't want to talk about all of these because it takes long, maybe hours, so that's why I split it in 3 sections. Now you got an idea about how to understand marketing, sales, advertising, and SWOT analysis. And next video, I'm gonna go back to the whiteboard, explain everything, but it's gonna be kind of a big picture, which is a summary, what I've been talking about. And the third video, it is going to be a more detailed information, more skills. I'm gonna go step by step for each component, each element, from marketing team, advertising team, sales, and SWOT analysis, step by step, in more detail. And you're gonna get more skills, and you're gonna have a complete knowledge about these 4 topics. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.